soft k is said like an S, like a s. It is mice. Very good. You're very speedy, very fast. What are they doing in this picture? Can you tell?
Dance.
They are dancing. Dance. Well done.
Since.
Since.
Peace.
Peace, yes. Very good. You're very good at this. Okay. Twice. You say? Can you say who?
Twice.
Twice. That means 2 times. Twice. Okay. Place. So on a map or place, I am in a place.
Prince.
Prince. What is a prince?
Is like daughter of the king.
Yes, well done. What about this?
Force.
Force. Yes, force. Oops. Wrong one. Okay, you were very fast with this one. So, what letter is this?
G.
Yeah, G. Very good. So we're looking at a soft G. Okay.
Page.
Yeah. Page. Where can you find a page? What is a page?
Is like the first page is this, second page is this. It's like
It's in a book. You have pages
Yes.
in a book. Well done. What is this
Age.
one? Age. So how old are you, Hoon? What age are you?
11 go to 12 in 2 months.
In 2 months you are 12. Wow. You're getting very
Yes.
old. Gem. Yes, that is a gem. And
Cage.
ooh, close. Cage.
Cage.
This is a cage.